Environment. So as we already have the machine and the robot with us, we have to create a team which is called environment. In Orchestrator, creating an environment is a way of grouping the robots. In case you have multiple robots associated with the same machine, it's recommended to group them together to avoid any process version mismatches. Here, as you can see in the left, I'm trying to resemble a group of robots with a team of members. Now getting back to the orchestrator, as we can see, as we are done with adding the machines and adding the robot right here, what we have to do next is we have to create an environment. Here, as you can see, there's a plus mark over here. Just click on that and say my environment. And if you want any description, you can give it as Sharath environment. Okay, once that is done, let me create it. Once the environment is created, you'll be asked to select the robot that you want to be under this particular environment. As I have already told you, environment is nothing but a team or a grouping of robots. So because I have only one robot right now, if you had n number of robots available and connected to this orchestrator, they all will be shown over here, and you can select or unselect any particular robot so that you can go ahead and just create on update. And now if you look at it, there is the description of it, and here you will see the number of robots attached to it. So this is how we create an environment or a team or a group of robots.